Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome to my beauty stash. Welcome on in, guys. Thank you all so much for being here and watching another one of my videos. Before we begin, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and ring that bell so that you're notified every time I have a new video upload. Today, we are going to be talking Strawberry Dream. This is the new collection from Lunar Beauty. Lunar Beauty is, of course, Manny MUA's brand, and if you don't know who Manny MUA is, you're missing out. Go check him out. He's a beauty influencer here on YouTube. He does some amazing looks, and he is hilarious. So this palette right here is available on the Lunar Beauty website, and it does retail for $48. You get 15 gorgeous shades in this palette, guys, and this is what we are talking here. These are beautiful, beautiful shades. It just really looks like a strawberry, doesn't it? But you have those nice pinky shades, you have some beautiful glittery shades and shimmer shades, and then you have those two pops of blue shades there on the bottom row here. I mean, this palette is just, it's stunning. The packaging is beautiful. Everything about it is just, it's like a dream come true. And guys, when I say this palette performs, it really does perform. I mean, I am so impressed with the eye look that I have. Just really, really great palette. So if you want to see how I got this look right here and how the palette performed, keep on watching. All right, so we are finally going to dive into the Strawberry Dream palette. Again, this is by Lunar Beauty. And of course, Lunar Beauty is Manny MUA's brand. This is cruelty-free and lasts for 12 months. You get 0.6 ounces in here, and you are gonna get 15 beautiful shades. Here is the palette. Gorgeous, just beautiful. He says this smells like strawberries. Let me see. I'm smelling more of like a plastic scent. Maybe just a hint of strawberry, but I mean, you really have to get up close to it in order to smell it. It's not like when you open the palette, you're gonna immediately get that aroma. So, it's not very strong. I mean, really, you have to get up close to it in order to smell it. So the first shade that I want to go in with, I have no idea what kind of look we are going to create today. We're just gonna, see what happens, see what works. I think I'm going to go in with Skyline right here. I'm gonna place that in my transition area. Very, very little kick up in the pan. Nothing much at all. Very nice payoff. Really nice, really pretty. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with Sunrise. And I'm also going to place that in my crease just a little bit below where I placed Skyline. Really nice payoff. Okay, so far this looks like a strawberry dream. The next thing that I want to do is I'm gonna try packing on one of the matte colors, and then I'm gonna go over it with a shimmer. So I'm gonna try packing on, I'm gonna pack on Strawberry Moon right here, all over my lid. That packed on really nicely, no fallout, very nice. Wow, I'm very happy with the color, the pigmentation, the payoff that I've gotten so far. All right, now what I want to do is I'm going to first swatch Blue Diamond right here. Let me see what that looks like. Right there, wow, that's pretty. That's a nice one. Let me see, and I'm going to swatch Ruby Skies. There's Ruby Skies. Blue Diamond and Ruby Skies together. There they are, my fingers there. Wow. Ruby Skies is intense. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with both. First, I'm going to go in with Blue Diamond, which was the whitish, purplish, bluish one right here. And I'm going to focus that mainly on the inner corner. I'm going to try using a brush first, a damp brush. And I'm going to spray it with my usual Mario Badescu. And let me see how that works. Wow, that's really, really pretty. I don't want to use my finger because my nails are kind of long. And I really want to just focus that like right there where I'm placing it. I don't really want to take it much further in than that. That is really, really pretty. Let me go ahead and do my other eye. Wow, that is so pretty. This is such a beautiful color, and then I can just imagine this layered over like the two blue colors that are in here. Like, oh my god, I'm sure this Blue Diamond shade is going to just be gorgeous with any of the matte colors that are in here. Wow. I'm gonna go in with Ruby Skies now, and I'm gonna use the same brush. Let me just wipe it off. I'm also gonna spray my brush. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Skyline, which was our very first shade, and I'm gonna kind of use that to blend everything out. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I remember watching Manny's tutorial on this, and he said that Cloudy was a really good shade to use to blend everything out, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that one instead. I'm gonna bring that down even right here. Just gonna drag that out. Very, very lightly, like very light pressure. Wow, really nice. Wow, I'm so impressed. And guys, no fallout. I mean, really, now that I'm really looking up close, I can see a little bit of fallout, and that was from Blue Diamond, but nothing major or anything. I mean, for being like these glitters and shimmers and stuff, and the pinks, I mean, usually you can get fallouts with pinks, but nothing, and hardly any to none, no kick up in the pan. So this is really a great palette. So far, it's amazing. Now, on my lower lash line, I'm going to take, I don't want to use a blue. I'm going to first go in with Sunset right here. I'm going to take that on a little pencil brush. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with Nightfall. Now I'm going to go in with Lightning right here, and I'm gonna place that on my lower lash line on the inner corner. That one's not really showing up too much. Let me try wetting the same little brush that I went in with on the lid, this one right here. Let me see if that makes a difference. Yeah, that made a huge difference. Okay, now I think the look is complete. I just need to go in and do some mascara and some eyeliner, and I will be right back. So guys, this is the completed look using Manny MUA's Lunar Beauty new Strawberry Dream palette. Again, gorgeous packaging. The moon right here, it's embossed. It kind of just comes out of the packaging, kind of 3D-ish, so to speak. This is just stunning. Really pretty packaging, nice attention to detail. And again, guys, the color scheme in here is just, it's beautiful. Really pretty strawberry themed color scheme in this palette. Really did enjoy it. No fallout, little to no fallout. The only shade that I got fallout was from the blue diamond shade that is on the inner corner of my eyelid. But look at this. I mean, this is beautiful. This was really nice to work with, and I am definitely going to be using this more in the future. The mascara I have on is the Flower Beauty Warrior Princess mascara. And the eyeliner I have on is the BH Liquid Eyeliner Pen. And the lipstick I have on is from Maybelline, and this is the Stay Matte Ink. This one is in the shade Lover. If you can see that, there you go. This palette gets a thumbs up from me. This is gorgeous, guys. I highly recommend if you love the pink tones, the purpley shades. This is going to be something that you want to pick up. If you're a big fan of Manny MUA, you're definitely going to want to have this in your collection. It is available on Lunar Beauty's website, and he did say that this will be in Sephora pretty soon. It does retail for $48, and I believe he has a bundle because there were some lip glosses and I think a liquid lipstick that was also included in this Strawberry Dream collection. I did not pick those up. I was only able to pick up the palette, but those colors looked amazing. They really complemented the shades that were in here. So definitely go to Lunar Beauty's website and check that out. And of course, send Manny some love. He did a fantastic job on this. Thank you all so much for watching my channel and for watching this video today. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here. I really appreciate your support. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.